Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX50 LUXE. So, 2023, I wouldn't say it's a complete refresh, but there's definitely some new changes that help kind of differentiate it from the 2022. The first is new wheels on the LUXE and Pure. Instead of the wheels they've been using since 2019, they've changed it up. In person, I definitely like them. It definitely is a little bit more unique. Now available on the LUXE is the Performance Audio Pack. It's not the full Bose system, but it does sound good. So this is Bose Performance Audio with 12 speakers instead of the standard, I want to say it's 16. Illuminated kick plates, splash guards, dark painted aluminum interior trim, and exclusive paint, radiant white over graphite. So this is, I believe, a new color for 2023 instead of majestic white. Let's see here, 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque from the variable compression Turbo 4. Sticker price of $49,305, and that also now includes 3 years free scheduled maintenance. That includes tire rotations, cabin air filter, oil changes. Absolutely awesome program launched for the 2023 model year. Now, let's work our way into the interior where some other additional changes have taken place. You can see Bose. The way you can tell, we haven't gotten a 23 with the full Bose system yet, but this one just says Bose. It doesn't say Performance Series Audio, but it still sounds, honestly, very, very good. Gone for 2023 is the wheat interior. We have yet to receive, this is our first 23 QX50. It's going to be stone, or pebble, I'm sorry, pebble is the interior color, obviously similar to stone. Wireless charging, now standard on all, I do believe. New shifter, obviously very, very similar to the one in the QX60. Other than that, interior is very similar, which is to say it's good. This had a full redesign in 2019, so it's not dated compared to the competition as of yet. Panoramic roof. Also new for 23, and I'm hoping to get to review one soon. We have 2 incoming. I think one's already pre-sold, so we'll see how this goes. But the sport trim right above this LUXE used to be essential. Well, that is now replaced with the sport trim. It's going to feature a front bumper off the 55 and a couple nice little trim differences. Of course, a QX50S badge on the back. And you're also going to get the Monaco red interior optional on that, which is really, really cool. It was in the QX55 sensory trim, I believe you could get it in. So now that it's making its way to the QX50, that's going to be pretty cool. Obviously, dual display. You can have your analog clock up here, digital. Just hit display. If the car was equipped with nav, which I believe is now sport, it is standard on. You can have your map up here, but obviously I've been driving this with double audio and it's been fine. Let's go for a drive. If you hear any of that, that's just the plate banging around on the back. Don't worry about it. In terms of driving experience, it's going to be very similar to the 2022. They have made little differences. I've noticed there used to be a vibration in the brake and gas pedals. I don't notice it nearly as much in this car. I mean, it was a very slight vibration, but if you focused on it, you could feel it. I don't feel it anymore. Very progressive brake pedal feel, which is obviously welcome here. You don't want too touchy of brakes. If so desired, drop the shifter, pull it towards you. You can activate manual mode using the paddles on the back. It's going to imitate 8 pre-selected gear ratios from the CVT. And it's going to do some rev match downshifts, which is pretty cool out of a CVT, to give it a little bit of a more sporty feel. It's also good for engine braking going downhill. So let's talk about driving position. You're definitely sat a little bit up high. You're going to have that typical SUV feel that buyers are looking for. And in terms of driving fun, handling's good. Powertrain, honestly, is a big improvement over a lot of the competition. It's just so much torque down low. I can't wait to try the LUXE, or the Sensory and Autograph, as well as the Sport. I really want to try out the Sport and see how that drives. We are expected to receive one with the Monaco red interior, but we have 2 salespeople fighting over it, one for their wife and the other for their girlfriend. So that is going to be sold very quickly, either to a customer or to a salesperson. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.